You know what's fascinating? While every camera company out there is busy adding more colors, more filters, and endless AI tricks, Leica decided to take a completely different path by taking all of that away. Meet the Leica Q3 Monochrome, a camera that doesn't see color at all. It sees light, shadow, and pure emotion. Rumored to launch this month, this $6,000 masterpiece is designed for photographers who see beauty and simplicity, and who believe black and white is more than just a style. It's a way of seeing. At its heart, the Q3 Monochrome features a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, but without a color filter array. That means every single pixel captures only luminance, not red, green, or blue. The result? Real monochrome images, sharper details, richer tones, and unmatched low-light performance, something you can't fake by just converting a color photo to black and white. And here's where it gets even crazier. Leica is rumored to have solved one of the biggest technical hurdles, bringing phase-detect autofocus to a pure monochrome sensor. Traditionally, autofocus systems rely on color data, but Leica might have cracked the code, offering lightning-fast and accurate focusing in every shot. That's not all. The Q3 Monochrome could even shoot native 8K video, in true black and white. Imagine cinematic footage with incredible shadow detail, crisp highlights, and zero digital artifacts. It's not just video, it's visual poetry. Connectivity-wise, Leica isn't ignoring the modern workflow. Expect dual SD card slots, USB-C charging, wireless transfer, and full app control, just like the Color Q3. Everything about this camera screams premium engineering with a purpose. But let's be honest, a $6,000 camera that can't shoot color? Who is this for? This is for creators who don't just take pictures, they craft stories. Street photographers chasing raw emotion, documentary shooters who want honesty over glamour, fine art photographers who understand that removing color doesn't remove beauty, it reveals it. Leica has always catered to those who value craft over convenience. The Q3 Monochrome isn't trying to compete with flashy AI-packed mirrorless systems. It's saying, here's a camera that does one thing better than anyone else, black and white. Take it or leave it. Production will likely be limited, and like most Leica gear, it'll probably hold its value for years. But what's truly valuable here isn't the resale price, it's the experience. The Q3 Monochrome isn't about megapixels or specs. It's about reconnecting with photography's soul. So as we wait for Leica's official announcement, one thing's clear. This isn't just another camera release. It's a statement. And for those who've always believed that less can be more, this might just be the most exciting camera of the year. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see real-world image tests once it's officially out, make sure to subscribe to GadgetVerse, your home for thoughtful tech stories that go beyond the specs. Because here at GadgetVerse, we don't just talk tech and we explore the art behind it.